Yeah, in the car right now. I'll be there in like 5 minutes.
No, I'm on a diet. Oh my god, you do not look fat in those jeans. I know, right? I got them on sale. I am such a good driver.
Just give me like 15 minutes, alright? I'll be ready in like 15 minutes.
Oh yeah, I read that book.
Yeah, I'm almost ready. Like, I'm almost ready.
These are my real nails, I know, right? They're so long.
I hate when girls talk shit behind my back. I never talk shit about anyone behind their back.
I'm 5'7". Hey, I'm like a short 5'7". No, I already ate dinner. I'm really not that hungry.
What's wrong?
Nothing. Hashtag no filter.
What's wrong?
Nothing. Hashtag no makeup.
I am such a nerd. I never eat junk food. How much I weigh? I weigh like 110. This is my real tan. I never go tanning. I'm Italian. Like olive skinned. Yeah, my eyelashes are so real. I don't wear fake lashes. I can totally like eat whatever I want and I never get fat.
I am not gonna drunk text tonight, I'll tell you that much. I swear on my life, I am not gonna drunk text tonight.
I'm not even that drunk.
I work out like 6 days a week, at least.
Oh my god, your new hair looks so cute. That like short Miley Cyrus thing is so in right now. Looks so good on your face.
Ugh, God, hate drama.
Ew, I would never hook up with my ex. He's like gross. I like hate him. Oh, this thing? I just pulled it out of the back of my closet.
Ugh, I haven't even eaten anything yet today.
Ew, no. I do not like Greg. Ew. My hair just gets so light from the sun. It's not highlights. I'm so good with kids. I know, it's so good to see you. I haven't seen you in like forever. I missed you. I've never taken diet pills. I never go on that website.
You are such a bitch. You're even kidding, I'm kidding.
I've only hooked up with like 2 guys like my whole life.
Sorry I haven't called you back. I've just been so busy.
I never watched that show. That show's such trash.
No, I did not have sex with him. We like hung out a couple of times, but like, no, we never had sex.
Yeah, you can have my number. It's 123. No, it's my real number, I swear. Work done. No, I've never had any plastic surgery. Like everything is I was born like this. This is my real hair. I take so many vitamins. I can drink more than anybody sitting at this table right now. I'm only having 1 glass of wine tonight.
No, it's alright, I don't need directions. I know exactly where we're going.
Ew! What is that? It's not mine. I'm 21. It's totally me. I just grew my hair out and bleached it.
I'm not gonna make out with anyone tonight.
So glad I'm single. Best life ever. Hashtag freedom. Tweet. Ew! Oh my god, it smells in here. It wasn't me.
Oh, there are my little guys.
You guys look like a double-headed monster.
They have one body and 2 heads, but they're different heads, but they're both equally as exciting. Yeah, Mumble, do you lie? No, I never lie. Grammy, do you lie? I'm asleep. Sometimes I lie to you guys because I say the W-A-L-K word, and it doesn't mean for you. And I'm sorry. Say goodbye, Spider-Man. Goodbye, Spider-Man. Say bye, Silver Unicorn. Bye, I'm gonna go be majestic over here. Alright, see you next week. Bye. Ah!